Good morning students. Now we'll see question number 9th, 10th and 11th of exercise 2.2. So question 9th is your homework. Question 9th and this is your homework students. I will explain you how to solve this question. So in this question says an aeroplane is flying over a mountain peak. Okay, here you can see that there is a mountains. Okay, then here it is mountain peak. Okay, highest peak means highest point. Okay, so an aeroplane is flying over a mountain peak. It is flying at a height of 12,478 meters from the ground. Okay, so from ground means ground, it is ground. Okay, from ground its distance is this much. How much? 12,478. This is distance from the ground, and this distance is also given. It is 4,825. So what we have to do? Find the height of mountain peak. So students, we have to find this height. So students, when you subtract this much height, from this big height, when you subtract this small height, you will get the height of mountain. Let me tell you again. This is height of aeroplane. Okay, this is height of aeroplane from ground, and this is the height of aeroplane from peak. So when you subtract this large from this small, you will get this answer. Okay, this answer you will get, and this is the height of mountain peak. Okay, you have to get this answer. This much you have been given. We'll subtract from this to this, you'll get this answer. Okay, so this is your homework. You just have to subtract here from this big to this small. This is your homework. Now let's go to question number 10. I will explain you question number 10. You have to do question number 11. So listen carefully. Question 10 says on a certain day. Okay, on a certain day मतलब किसी एक दिन a South Indian outlet in a food court sells food items worth rupees 45,280. ओके, मतलब एक दिन में कोई साउथ इंडियन जो फूड वाले हैं वो इतना रुपीस का फूड आइटम सेल करता है, और एंड नॉर्थ इंडियंस आउटलेट इन द सेम फूड कोर्ट सेल्स दिस मच. ओके, नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड वाला इतना सेल करता है और ये वाला इतना सेल करता है. So which outlet makes more money? We have to find which outlet makes more money and how much more. Okay, so how much more? So question like this, how much more and more, what you have to do? You have to subtract, and after subtracting we have to find the difference to the nearest 1,000. Okay, difference को हमको nearest 1,000 में round off करना. Estimate means to round off. So let's write question what we have been given. So we have been given first we have been given South Indian. Okay, so South Indian food court. Okay, food court sells for how much rupees it sells? Of how much rupees it sells? So it sells of 45,280 rupees. Okay, a North Indian food court sells of how much rupees? Of 54,167 rupees. And what we have to do? We have to find who sells which sells of more money. Okay, we have to find which outlet sells of more money and how much more. Okay, how much more? How much more means what? How much more is difference. We have to find the difference. Okay, next we have to also find the estimate of this difference. We have to find estimate of difference to nearest 1000. So let's solve these questions. So first we have to find the difference. Okay, so difference will be, what will be the difference? To find the difference, we subtract greater number, smaller number from this greater number. So greater number here is 54,167 and small number is 45,280. So we can 7 minus 0 will be 7. We cannot subtract 8 from 6, so we will make it 16. So 16 minus 8 will be 8. Then it will be 0. Okay, we have been given this 10 to here. Okay, so 1 will be 0 and this 0 will be 10. So students, 10 minus 2 will be 8. So this 4 will be 3 because we have been given here. Then so it will become 13 and it will become 4. So 13 minus 5 will be 8 and 4 minus 4 will be 0. So our answer is this much. And we know that which sells more of more money. So North Indian court sells more money. Okay, so here write North Indian court sells food of more money and difference is 8,887. This is our answer, and we have to estimate the difference to the nearest 1000. So you do round off. So round off to nearest 1000. Okay, so 8,887. Now here in thousands place you have 8 and here you have so either it will become 9,000 or it will become 8,000, but here you can see that here it is 8. So our answer will be this much. This much will be our answer, because here it is more than 8. Okay, 8 is here more than 5, so our answer will be 9,000. So here write estimate of difference is 9,000. Now this is your answer. You have to also solve question number 11. Question number 11 is your homework. Let me explain you question number 11. Question number 11 says a baker prepares this much baskets of biscuits and sells this much. Okay, यहाँ prepare करता है, यहाँ sell करता है within the first week. एक week में इतना करता है. Estimate the nearest 1000 the number of unsold biscuit. How will you find unsold? When you subtract this small from this big, you will find the unsold biscuit, and this unsold biscuit you have to subtract this to the nearest 1000. This estimate, same like question 10. This is your homework. Okay, see you next time.